In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to manually control caching for a page in Wix. The first thing we'll do is launch the Wix editor. Now, if you have a specific website you are working on, you'll need to go to the editor of that website. Next, we'll navigate to the Pages and Menu section. You can easily find this by spotting an icon labeled Pages and Menu on the left-hand section of the editor. Just go ahead and give that a click. At this point, let's pick the specific page you want to adjust. To do this, hover your cursor over the desired page. As you do so, you'll notice an icon appears with 3 dots symbolizing More Actions. Feel free to click this icon to unveil more options. This brings us to the next step where we open Page Settings. All you need to do is find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This action will open a panel providing you with different settings specific to your selected page. From this settings panel, we want to go more in-depth to the advanced settings. To do this, look for the tab named Advanced Settings within the settings panel and click on it. And now we are getting a bit more technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward. We're going to enable manual control next. This step allows you to directly control the caching for the page. You can enable this by clicking the toggle next to where it says Manually Control Caching for this page. Once you've flipped this switch, you're now in charge of how caching works for this particular page. And the final step involves laying out the cache reset frequency. To set a specific interval, assess your options from a drop-down menu that will appear once manual control is enabled. Here, you can choose how often you desire the cache of this page to reset. Alternatively, if you would rather not have the page cache at all, there's an option for you too. By selecting Never from the drop-down menu, you disable caching for this page. This action means that the page will not be stored for faster loading and will instead load afresh every time it's accessed. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to manually controlling caching for a page in Wix.